Hari Om, we will begin our practice together. Make yourself comfortable. See to it that you're comfortably sitting on the cushion. Your head, neck, spine is on a straight line. Your facial muscles are relaxed. With this awareness, we will take the Namaskar Mudra. We'll chant one Om and three Shantis together. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Slowly release your hands. Adopt the Gyan Mudra. Palms are facing the ceiling. For the next couple of minutes, you're just going to be steady and just going to be aware. You're going to keep everything aside and completely be aware of the commands and just focus here with no distraction. If any movement or adjustment is required, please do it now. And slowly be comfortable. Both the knees are relaxed. You're sitting cross-legged. You're totally aware of your spine. Shoulders are relaxed. Neck is relaxed. You have taken the Gyan Mudra properly. Facial muscles are completely relaxed. No frowning, no flickering of your eyes. Just consciously inhale and exhale. Slowly get the awareness at the tip of the nose and just be aware of your breath. With every inhalation, there's a cool sensation. And with every exhalation, there's a warm sensation. Don't try to change anything. Just be aware of that cool and warm sensation while inhaling and exhaling. Now, when the physical body is completely relaxed, and the breath is in synchronicity, slowly take the awareness between your eyebrows. When I say awareness between the eyebrows, there is no stress on your eyes, there is no pressure on your face, just mental awareness between the eyebrows. For the first week, we will focus on the form of Shiv between our eyebrows. Imagine Shiv sitting right in front of you. In the same posture, with Ganga flowing through his head, which is purifying you. Let Ganga completely flow through your body and let go of all the emotions. Now slowly take the awareness, towards the third eye of Shiv. imparting the knowledge of that everything is formless and you are not this body, not this mind, not this intellect. Hold on to the Rudraksh that Shiv is wearing, which is purifying this physical body and the mental body. Slowly get the awareness towards the Trishul, that is the trident. Through which he removes all the ego, all the low emotions, and gives us the experience of bliss alone. Get the awareness towards his right hand, giving us blessings, and the left hand in Gyan Mudra, just like us. See how he is wearing the tiger skin and how Shiva has overcome all the low emotions and imbibed that quality. Focus on the brilliance and the vibrance of Shiv between the eyebrows. And hold on to that form. Where Ganga is flowing, the third eye is giving you blessing and knowledge, the Abhaya Mudra, the Rudraksh that Shiv is wearing, and the trident that he has behind him. Slowly get the awareness towards the snake that is coiled around his neck. Imparting the knowledge that we should have no fear of death because he is always holding us. Focus and just stay there. And complete awareness towards Shiv alone. You may see him in any form that is coming to you now. Just hold on to that form and channelize all your emotions, all your thoughts towards the attributes of Shiv, making you realize that Shiv is within you. See how that form completely becomes a white dot between the eyebrows, and just stay there. You are that light of Shiv, which is full of awareness, full of consciousness, and full of bliss. You are that nameless, formless, choiceless, causeless, supreme divine consciousness beyond space, time, and causation. You are the light of all lights. You are that Shiv, which is everywhere, within, without, above, below, and which is within your heart. With that awareness, imagine that light flowing throughout your body. and hold on to that awareness. That light is radiating everywhere. And that is the highest Shiv Tattva, where there is bliss and bliss alone. With that understanding, just stay there for next 30 seconds and do nothing. Let it flow through your body, and for the next 30 seconds, just stay there. With this awareness, slowly adopt the Namaskar Mudra, hand towards your heart chakra. We will chant 3 Oms and the Shanti Path. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Bow your head down. Surrender back to divine that's nameless and formless. Surrender your ego. Surrender everything to that divine. Inhale while slowly exhale. Inhale while slowly exhaling. Rise up. Take your own time. Slowly open your eyes. Hari Om.